An Oklahoma couple tonight suing the state, forcing the question, who should be allowed to sell caskets?
They were just hit with a $4,000 fine because in Oklahoma, only funeral directors can sell caskets. And the couple says that's not fair.
KOCO's Jason Berger spoke to them and joins us live now. Jason, this is a unique issue here in Oklahoma.
Well, guys, that's right. And all this company wants to do is sell their caskets to customers here in the state. We are one of 3 states that have rules like this.
That is when we realized that legally you can't even display a casket to the public unless you're a funeral director.
Candy told me their whole saga began when they tried to simply show their custom caskets at the Tulsa State Fair in 2021. And she learned the hard way that actually violates Oklahoma state law, the Funeral Services Licensing Act.
Most of our customers do come from out of state. We ship them all over the United States. We don't sell very many in Oklahoma because we can't advertise here. We can't really do anything.
That law says specifically they cannot sell directly to Oklahoma customers, something that only funeral directors can do.
Right now, the funeral homes have got a monopoly on it, so they don't want to lose their monopoly. They mark these caskets up anywhere from 200 to 600%.
Customers cannot physically come into their Calvin, Oklahoma showroom, order a casket, and pay them. So they've kept the business alive by moving the main operation to Texas.
They purchase it online, and the transaction happens out of state, and that's what makes it legal for us to sell our caskets back into Oklahoma.
I do understand that funeral directors, that is a serious source of revenue for them as well.
In the 2025 legislative session, there was an effort to change this law.
The challenge that I'm getting is that there's a problem with the casket, families grieving, they don't know where to turn. So, it's a lot of competing interests at a time where a family is grieving.
Customer protections and quality control were arguments brought up by Representative Blancett.
Those providers register within the state of Oklahoma so that there is, assurance that these are good actors.
You can go on to Amazon and purchase a casket on Amazon or Walmart or any number of online suppliers.
Representative Kendricks argued consumers need more affordable options with caskets, and it's not fair to limit the market to funeral homes only.
We talk a lot about regulation and licensing and all these things that in a lot of cases that is a barrier to free market as opposed to an encouragement to free market.
When you have a family reach out to you and tell you what a difference it made to their family and to the entire atmosphere for what we were able to provide, that is our reason for continuing our fight.
Now, a judge just ruled on Thursday that this case can, in fact, move forward. At the Capitol tonight, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.